build a boat for my treasure. That's what we're doing, dude. Okay. Everything's being super laggy right now. Don't know why. I'm gonna make... I don't even know. I'll do this. I'll make a floor. Three left. Perfecto. Perfecto. Let's just put some seats on this bad boy. Okay. Nope. There's one. Oh. And there we go. Nope. Oh. Ah. That could. Yep. Okay. I don't even know what I'm doing, dude. I'm just kind of clicking and doing. Oh, I should try and use every single one of my blocks in this build. I've already done that before, but this one's gonna be almighty. This is gonna be looking better. Okay, that looks insane. We may not have enough ladders to finish this. No. We need 2 more. It's okay. No, this will be our entrance. Yeah. Then we have slopes on these bad boys. Oh. Also put a upward slope down there, so it's a bit of texturizing. Well, in the middle. I won't do it there, I'll do it there though. Okay. Oh, I'm all out, okay. Maybe I don't do the fronts and it's only the sides. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So just 1, 2. And then I'll put one down there. Same on the other side. There we go. That's good. Let's just do this all around. I think we're gonna have one left. But that's okay. Because I'm gonna put it right there. Nobody's gonna see that. So it's all good. Then I'll put 2 on top of each of these, I think. I think that'll look nice. This looks nice, okay. Oh, it's perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 more. That looks so nice actually though. That fits really well. It's okay. That's, even though it's not going to be even on those 3, it's okay. Okay, let's put one in the middle. Or on the or on the front and back, just one on top. There we go. Now let's put one like that. Like that. Oh. I really have no idea. Please put your thoughts on this build so far in the comments. There we go. Can do this to every single one. Then one more on the top. I don't like the ones on the outside. How am I gonna burn out 170 more? And then 2 more, 1. Then that'll be the design for that. Okay, let me do that to the rest of everything else. We may have to put a part 2 to this, or else it might take like an hour-long video. And like a 40-minute video is like my absolute maximum. So, just feeling cozy. I can put a line up here. I think this looks pretty good. Actually, man, I'll keep it there. Even though it might not look the best, I'm gonna keep it. Hey, we reached the sub 100s on the sorry that I'm saying a lot. We reached sub 100 on all of the wood planks. So, hooray! No thanks. Don't play with strangers. Don't play with people you don't know. What? I gotta go get some food, so you might hear my stomach rumbling a bit. Sorry about that, though. If this doesn't if it doesn't fit on all of them, I'm literally gonna cry. It should. There's only like 2 more. What the? I can't put it in. I could over there. Boom. Okay, so it does fit. Now let me... So let me limit the roof, sun to that much, so it's not as dark. I only have 5 left. What should I do with them? Oh, I have 1 more. There we go. That's all the wood planks done. And now it's time for the steering wheels. Every block just do this. Is this the opposite direction that the other ones were in? Yeah. Let's just... Why isn't this... There we go. Looks ugly, but who cares? Okay, that looks nice. And then there's just gonna be one right there. 8 doors. How the heck am I gonna place 8 doors? Oh, I have an idea. I am cooking, dude. I'm cooking on the doors idea, trust me. Make them too high. Double doors. I just had the best idea. Let's do that also with the blue doors. I'm literally the biggest brain on the internet. Well, the history of the world. Einstein fears me. In brain capacity. His brain is too small for mine. What the? What is that? Why is that? How is that? Probably looking at me like, why am I making this confusing build? It's not gonna be perfect, but it's okay. Nah, it's okay. This looks horrendously amazing for some reason. I actually put effort in it at the start, but now I'm just like resorting to violence, basically. Not like actual violence, but you know what I mean. Right on there. Perfect. That's literally the best build you've ever seen in your life. Tell me that you looked at this and you didn't say, amazing. How are you not supposed to say amazing? New challenge. I cannot widen it anymore. I have to move that back perfectly. Perfect. It's going up. 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 Okay. Then 4 TNT barrels right after that. Then at the top there's going to be all my chests. That's backwards. Let's squeeze them in as much as I can. Man, whatever. I have 9 of these. Let me just stack them up. 8, 9, 14 of these. Okay. Let's get going. Whatever. I have 17 of these. How do they keep on? How do I get this many? Okay, that looks amazing. Oh, no. If you think this is horrendous, like and subscribe. If you think this is amazing, like and subscribe. If you think you're neutral about it, like and subscribe. Do anything, like and subscribe. Don't do anything, like and subscribe. Live, like and subscribe. Die, like and subscribe. Even God himself, he liked and subscribed. Believe me. Yeah, I know, it's insane. And also, Jesus Christ, yeah, he's my bro. He also liked and subscribed. You should also like and subscribe just like them. Okay, yeah, that looks amazing. 3 of these, yeah. Bean, bam, boop. Wait a minute. Bean, bop. Wait a minute. Boom. Oh, no. I did not just do that. I did. Oh my god. Oh. Should I do the smaller ones too? Heck yeah. Not smaller, just shorter. No, what are you doing, McDonald's? Oh, shoot. What happened? You guys good? Oh, no! What's up, bro? No. So they come to my place, they blow themselves up, and then they die. Seems about right. Dude, I still have 18. Let me stack them up. Resort to violence or stacking up. That's what violence stands for. Stacking up lanterns. As if it wasn't bright enough already, I think we need some torches in here. Yeah, boy. I can't see anything, that's how dark it is. Oh, I still can't see anything. Maybe we can put some candles in here too. That's a bit better. Now I can see a tiny bit, but not much. I'm going to extend it out just a tiny bit because I'm kind of struggling to figure out where to put stuff. Leave comments of what game I should do next in the comments down below, because I'm kind of stuck on what kind of Roblox games I want to play, and I need your guys' help to advise me. I'm thinking of original Shark Bite, or like Shark Bite 2.0, whatever that level is, the game is. So tell me if you like that game and I should play it. What was that? And if you do, just just tell me in the comments, and I'll read every single one of my comments, because I only get like 3. So it's kind of not that hard to, but, you know. Comment if you like the idea of shark bite too. I think once I'm done with this, I'm gonna go on to those 2 poles. I'm gonna go on to these 2 poles, and then I'm gonna be done. Since I've probably already been playing for like 40 minutes now, and that's like the longest I want to do. Why does that keep on happening? Anyways, so yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, 1. Done. Doop. Doop. Doop, 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 doop. Doop, doop, doop. Why does it look like there's poop on it? Okay, now it's time for this one. I might also do the chairs. I'll do the chairs. Yeah, I'll do the chairs and then I'll be done. Well, after this, I meant like after I finish these pillars, then I'll do the chair. There we go. Now it's time for the chairs. Dude, we got seats for everybody. Invite everybody, every single one of your friends over. I got a seat for them. It's like the seats are like glowing. Come on. It's for some reason so annoying to just try and get a chair and another chair for some reason. There we go. Look at those seats, my guy. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's it. There we go. All the seats are done. This is what we got. Okay. I don't need this grinder. Thin 2.0. Save. Okay. Let's load this just to make sure it loads. For a second I was like, oh no, did it not load? Okay, it's loading. It may take a while since I actually had a lot of stuff. My chairs are probably just going to randomly vanish once it gets to there. Bop. No. All my chairs have been gone. Okay. It does still work. Nice. Now, let's sit down on the almighty chair. Let's launch this Dane boat. No! No! All of my chests. Who cares? Yeah, I still can't see anything. Like, it's so dark in here. Let me turn this sound up. Yeah, it's so dark. I literally can't even see anything. Can't you see how dark it is? The chests act as like a protective barrier for me. What? How did I get up here? I don't know. This is my new area. This is my base of operations, dude. Ugh. I got the clockwork towers now. That's nice. This is laggy in my screen. I don't know if it's laggy for you guys too, but I need to get down into the main area. Whatever, I don't need the main area. I'm steering with this like basically golden steering thingy. I have many golden steering thingies. So I gotta delete all the chests on the top except those ones so that it doesn't like fall apart. Okay. I'll do that next episode. Have a bit of damage on the front. No seats have been damaged though. Oh no, what has happened? Oh shoot. Where's the W key? Oh, what? How am I supposed to block that? What? I'm so done for. How do I keep on getting super jump for some reason? Come on. No, I'm gonna be chilling on these lamps. No. Okay, I'm chilling on these lamps. These lamps are my saviors. They're saving me. No. That's not how a lamp is supposed to do. Oh, that's not how a lamp is supposed to work. How much did I get? 90. Pretty radical if I could say it so. Okay. I want to show you guys the thing and then I'll be done. This is every single one of my blocks. That's it. Never mind. Yep, it's loading up there. As you can see, I'm pretty sure it's actually possible to get up. It's actually really fun to make. I did it in like 30 minutes with my brothers. Anyways, let's set sail. This is what happens when I set sail. Everything falls. Except some things float for some reason. Wait, let's see how far I can go with just this staircase. And then I'll shut off. Actually, no, I gotta shut off. Okay, guys. See you later.